Hey, it's Samantha.
Kadesha.
Sandy.
And we're back with another insightful episode on the Deeper Than Tech podcast, where we talk about how to progress in your career in an industry that was not designed with us in mind. Make sure you share this podcast with a friend or a coworker. And don't forget to grab a snack because you're going to need something to eat to go along with all this tea.
Coming out of a boot camp, how should we negotiate salaries? What is realistic?
I personally think your salary is going to largely depend on your company, firstly, and where you'll be working. So a lot of companies have like location-based salaries. In a remote environment, I think a lot of remote-first companies, they don't think that way. From what I understand, they just offer you the salary based on the market. But it'll depend on like your location, your skills. Are you like a brand new grad, like you've never worked before, or are you coming in with professional experience? That also plays a factor. And I would say if your bootcamp has a career coach, definitely use them and talk to them and help and ask them to help guide you through the negotiation process.
Yeah, agree. First, figure out your location. If you are, let's say you're going to be working from an office, see what the market rate is for that location. For New York City, when I graduated, it was 85K. So I was making sure that I would at least get 85K. Of course, my sites were a little higher than that, but just make sure that you start there. It's okay if you get a little bit lower. I think 85 is a great starting point for at least New York City. And make sure you do negotiate. Don't sell yourself short. I think even if you are coming straight out of boot camp, you still have very valuable skills. Ask for 5K. If they say no, you still got a job. So, yeah. I'm so bad at this.
Well, to Samantha's point, you can. To Samantha's point, the worst they can do is say no. So always ask and negotiate, and you can negotiate other things, like maybe it's not salary. You can negotiate vacation days. You could probably get a sign-on bonus. Maybe they don't give you an annual salary of what you negotiated for, but they'll account for that in a sign-on bonus. So think about other things. I don't want to say amenities, but it's not amenities, but think of other components that you can negotiate that are separate from salaries as well.
Yeah. We talk a lot more about this in our episode called You Got a Job Now What? So make sure you go check that out.
Absolutely.
Shameless plug.